What if stress, brain fog, and low energy weren't just about sleep or diet, but about the frequencies your body is exposed to every day? The idea behind Bexxly Harmonia is rooted in frequency healing, the concept that your body and brain naturally respond to specific sound and electromagnetic vibrations that may help restore balance. From calming the nervous system to improving mental clarity, certain frequencies are believed to influence how you feel physically and emotionally. Bexxly Harmonia claims to generate precise frequencies ranging from 0.1 Hz to 100,000 Hz, using both sound waves and electromagnetic output, designed to gently support the body's natural systems. The process is simple. Select a frequency, turn the device on, and allow it to run while you relax, work, or meditate. After consistent use, some users report feeling more relaxed, experiencing deeper focus during tasks, and noticing a subtle reduction in daily stress levels. Others describe improved sleep quality and a greater sense of mental clarity, although results appear to vary depending on the individual and how often it's used. It's important to understand that while frequency-based wellness devices are gaining attention, scientific validation in mainstream medicine remains limited, so expectations should stay realistic. Bexxly Harmonia does not promise instant transformation, but rather gradual support over time. If you're curious about alternative wellness technologies and open to exploring frequency-based support tools, this device may be worth considering as part of a broader self-care routine, especially when combined with healthy lifestyle habits like proper sleep, hydration, and stress management.